Good morning students, good morning parents, good morning viewers. Welcome back to NCERT online class. I am Mithun Sarkar, your online teacher, and I always come back this types of video, so stay with your teacher. Okay, student, last class we discussed some grammatical question, and today we are discuss about some spelling question. You know that always competency spelling is with some different types of question. I will write here TLO be able to know about new words, ing words and missing letters. Okay, so we need to find out some new words from our story. This is new words related always spelling. So let's start. Student, this is our book and here is written some new words. We need to write it one by one. Firstly written is million, M-I-L-L-I-O-N. Student, you know that million means 10 lakhs. We discussed last class also. When you write new words, we always write 3 times per word. That means every word. Why? You can ask a question, sir, why you need to write 3 times every word? Because when you write again and again, it will be remembered very easily in your mind. Because new word is, when you remember the new word spelling very easily, you can give the answer next question very easily. When you write some missing letters, because imagine if I write million, M then dash, LL then dash, ON, you can give this answer very easily. There is 2 places I. Okay, so remember this and write this. Then we have word Flandine. F-L-O-U-N-D-E-R-I-N-G. Right? This also 3 times. D-E-R-I-N-G. Then F-L-O-U-N-D-E-R-I-N-G. Note down with me also. Okay. Then we have a word M-E-S-S-E-S. Message means I already discussed first class. This is the threads of net. We need to write this also 3 times. Note down with me. Then we had a word. We have a word hull. You need to write this one also 3 times. You can write this new word in different way also. Note down it. You can make different shape and then write all of the word inside the shape 3 times. Okay. But it is the easiest way for you write these types, and it is very easy and fast way also. You can write very easily. But you can make cloud, you can make ball, you can make moon, or different types of shapes. You can make different fish, and then you can write inside this all of the word. You can make a light color also. That's why it is very colorful. Okay, I hope all of you note down. Okay, we have some another word also. Then contented. We have a word contented. We need to write 3 times. Contented. Then we need to write again C-O-N-T-E-N-T-E-D. But we had another 4 word slashing, then immediate, irregular and warning. At first you note down it. After that I need to wrap the board, because we have more 2 parts, ing word and then missing letter also. So I hope you note down. Okay, so I'll wrap the first two words. That's why I can write. Note down with me. Okay, next word is slashing. S P L A S H I N G. We need to write 3 times. Note down with me. Sorry. S P L A S H I N G. Then we have a word empty-eyed. E M P T I E D. You write this one also. Every word you need to write 3 times. After that it will be in your memory. We have word. So I think this one also you note down. So this one and this one also. W R I double G L E D. A W R I double G L E D. W R I double G L E D. We have another word, warning. all of you note down with me. मेरे साथ साथ लिखते रहो. Okay, I will wrap the last one because it is confusion to you. Okay, note down this. I will give some time to note down for this because we have another 2 questions. Note down it properly. Okay. So how many? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write another word also from our book, because in our book there is more word. Wished, W-I-S-H-E-D. It is also a new word. Okay, so total 10 words I written on the board. Note down it. After that we have some question. Okay, note down it properly. I am waiting for you. When your work will be finished, then we start our next question. Okay student, so next part, find out some ing word from our story, because sometimes this types of question will be come in an exam. You also can follow this when you are in class. Your teacher also give this types of question. Find out some ing word. Ing means ending with ing. Ing words from the story. I know that very well. These types of courses your teacher also give you, because I am a teacher in a school, so I know that very well. you need to find out some ing word from the story. The story means your story, a little fish story. So in our book we have some word ending with ing. These types of word always come in spelling. First one is everything. Everything. It is ing word. Then we have another word, swimming. You can also find out with me. Okay. Then we have word flashing. S-P-L-A-S-H-I. In new word part, we also saw this word is also there. Then we have word thinking. When these types of question teacher give you the from the story, you can't write from outside of the story. If you write because ing word is more word, but you need to write from the story. So you need to find out from your story book. Then we have a word F-L-O-U-N, wondering, D-E-R-I-N-G. Then we can write anything. From the story, I find out this 6 word ending with ing. But if you find out more, you can write in comment box. No problems. It will be sometimes it will be mistake for me that I cannot find, but you can find out. But I think this word is okay. Another word is another word I found out, warning. Then I was found being. Okay. This word is ending with ing. You can write very easily from your story. So you need to read properly the story, and then when you read it, my request is you make circle these types of word or make underline these types of word with your pencil, so you can find out very easily. Okay, some of the time your teacher give you find out some word ending with ed. Then you can also, when you read your story, you can underline the ed word also. Okay. Okay. So note down it. This one. There is total 8 word ending with ing in your book. In your book means a little fish story in a chapter. So you can very easily identify and note down it also. Okay. Because we have another question, we need to write it. I will give you some time for note down it. Student, if you forget to note down within the time, if you can't note down within the proper time, no problems. You can watch it again and again, and then you can note down very easily, and no problems. I am always with you to solve all of the problems related to your sectors. Next class we are discuss a creative writing. A creative writing means, I already discussed when I discuss all of the competency of English. Creative writing means you need to write something with creativity, with drawing. So next class we will write a creative writing related to our sector. Okay, so stay with your teacher, stay with this channel, and subscribe also, and share with your friends. Okay, I hope all of you note down, so I can graph. You can also find out another more word. because you can also find out there is a word is missing, that is ing part in our book. Missing word is not there. Okay, next question we need to discuss some missing letters. It is always come in your exam. Question number 3, note down. Write the missing letters. I know that this types of question always come in your exam. Then some of the time the question come circle the correct answer. Correct answer means correct spelling. I am also a teacher. You know that very well. That's why I know that very easy. This types of question always come. Okay. So write the missing letter means I will give some word to you from our book. So you need to find out the missing letters. And I said that to you when I give you some new word need to write. I give you the solution to you. Please remember all of the spelling, all of the new word. That's why you can very easily give the answer when we give the question missing letters or circle the correct spelling. So AMI, and first write the answer, question, then answer. Then write number B is here. Sorry. Then we can write then more word. You can write more word for your practice. Because in your book more word is there. I will give some word for your doubt that this types of question will be calm. Then we can write this one also. We can give some another example. We have more word. We can write. Student, you can give this very easily answer. So first letter what will be? First word is, you can give the answer, it is million. So what is the spelling of million? M-I-double-L-I-O-N. So M-I, one L is missing, L-L-I-O-N, million. Then it is whole, S-A. Then it is, very easily you can give the answer, it is swim. Then it is slipped. S-L-I-P-P, it is slipped. It is also ed word. Then you can give this answer, it is little. Okay, then it is larger. Larger means something big. Okay, so this 6 for your example. You can write more word for your practice in your home. Okay, so no problems. This types of question always come in your exam. Then you can write some question like that. Circle the correct spelling or underline the correct spelling, or then you can make another word like that. Some word ending with ed. Okay, then some word ending with if there is ing I already written. Then you can write different types of word. Okay, some of the word ending with s. That time it will be plural form. Okay, so I hope this class is helpful for you, and this class is better for you. So stay with your teacher and watch the video up to end, so you can very easily identify all of the question answer. Okay, so thank you all of you. Take care.